Welcome to Topographic Survey Workflows, Part 5. In this session, we're going to take all the data we extracted using Cyclone Survey from Parts 1 through 4 and combine them inside of Civil3D and use that data to create a surface. The first step is to import our points. You can do that by simply going up top, selecting Points, Import Points, clicking the plus bar and scrolling down to your text files. In this case, I have 2, so I'm going to import my utilities first. Click Open, then scroll down and choose PNEZD, comma delimited, unless you use some other format. I usually always add my points to a point group, and in this case, I'm going to click on the Create Point Group button and just call this Utility. Click OK, and OK again. When I do that in Zoom Extents, you can see that it brought in all of my utility points. Now I'm going to do the same process for my topo points. Again, click the plus button, scroll down, choose my topo, click OK, change that to PNEZD, click Add New Point Group. This time I'm just going to call it topo, click OK, and OK again, and you can see all my points come in. Now what we need to do is we need to create a surface. So if you come over to Tool Space and right-click on Surfaces and select Create Surface, your Create Surface box will appear. I'm just going to quickly type in existing ground and click OK. Now you can see that I have a surface in here called existing ground. I can expand that and expand my definition. And the first thing I'm going to do is right-click on Point Groups and select Add. Select my topo, click Apply, and OK. And you can see as soon as I do that, my contours have appeared. But right now, it's only using my points and not any of my break lines. So we're going to turn off all my points and close that out. And now what we need to do is add our break lines. Simply type in I for Insert, and your Insert box will appear. You click on the Browse button, and I'm going to check my LineWork.dxf file here and select OK. Right-click and say Insert, and then specify my origin point, which is simply 0, 0, 0, and click Enter. Now all I have to do is select that and explode it, and we can close this box. Now what I need to do is right-click on break lines and select Add. I'm simply going to type in All, click OK, and then zoom in and start selecting all of my break lines. Once I've got them all selected, just one there and one here. Once I have them all selected, I can simply hit Enter, and you can see that my break lines have been added to the surface. And now we could finalize our survey.